I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. I got a comment recently on one of my auto repair videos where I was working on my brother's Honda Insight that asked, when you're working on the car, where do you position the jack? And this is actually quite an important question because you can raise the car with the hydraulic jack, but making sure it doesn't fall down with the jack stand, there might not be an easy place to put the jack stand. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you where exactly you can put those jack stands. And this is the way that we do it. And we're going to show you on a Honda Civic. It might not be a Honda Insight, but they're pretty similar. And it should work for any low-profile Honda car. Like, it could also work for an Accord, too. So ideally, you want to put the jack stand at the weld point. It's designed for jacks. It's a little metal lip. It looks like this, and it kind of curves or curls back up. But the thing is, how do you actually get the jack stand under that? Because you need to raise the car up to place the jack stand. And what you can do is you could use the jack a bit further ahead, right here, and then slide the jack stand there. But in our case, we actually have a jack that's too big to do that. It's not going to fit. Well, it might fit if you have a smaller jack like this, but this is a problem for people who have really big jacks. Alrighty, so we've done exactly that. We've raised it with the jack in that location, right next to the wheel. And if we try placing the jack stand, there's not enough space for it to fit under the jack point. So, yeah, it's not gonna work. So, oh wait, see? It doesn't touch it at all. And you might be thinking, okay, wait, why can't I put it here? Well, you shouldn't, because those are plastic and it's too fragile. It's not going to be able to support a jack. All right, I'm going to be a bit careful, but we use the smaller jack and we can slide it under and it will fit. But as you can see, the jack is not standing properly. It's kind of tilted. And this is definitely not super safe. So this is not ideal as well. I'll mention too that there's a unibody frame here. You could put the jack stand under there, but then you would ruin the plastic. And it's not an ideal solution when, of course, we're gonna show you in this video that there's a much more ideal solution. So the right way to do it is actually to switch the two around. You're actually gonna put the jack, the hydraulic jack, where the jack point is, and then you're gonna put the jack stand on the chassis, under the chassis. So let me show you, and you can even do this with a large jack. The reason this is helpful is because this actually gives you much better positioning. If you put the jack stand here, you only have a limited angle for how the jack can face, but here, you can have the jack come out here, and then the jack stand has enough space to slide in. Okay. And of course, when you jack a car up, you probably want to put a chock on the wheel in the back so that if it does come down, then it doesn't roll forward. Okay, and then just make sure that it matches up. Okay. So now let's raise it. Okay. So now the jack is positioned. I'm going to keep raising it up. Until there's enough space for the floor jack, right, for the jack stand. Okay. So now we want to take our jack I need to raise it a bit more. Okay. Now we need to take our jack and place it right here. Okay? Right under this metal piece right here. And you can see that it fits pretty well. There's even room for error. So now, when we lower it, and you want to lower it slowly, and at this point you can also put the chalk. You can also chalk the rear wheels. Now when we lower it, slowly, okay. Now when we lower it, it rests on the jack quite nicely. Now, I'll take the time to mention that we actually looked up on the manual how to position the jack stand how to position the jack stand and the jack when you're using a hydraulic jack, and we couldn't find anything of the sort in their resources. They mentioned using a manual jack, which in that case you don't really need to reposition it because that itself is the jack stand. But I guess that's why this video is important. So if you have a hydraulic jack and you need to raise it up, then this is your way to do it. You can do this on the driver's side and the passenger side. Okay, so it's getting dark, so that's going to be the end of this video. Again, I'm not sure if these methods are manufacturer recommended. But they're the way we've been doing them for quite a long time. And I hope if you do them, that they're helpful and solve a long-running problem. Or even a new problem for you. I'll take the time to mention now that there's more than just those two jack points on the car. There's two in the rear for basically the same side but mirrored if you need to raise the back side. There's also the jack point just in the back under the spare tire. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. It's right here. You can see this one has not even been touched at all. And you can put it right here to support it from the back. If the rear wheels, actually, I'll show them now. If these two, this one and the one on the passenger side, don't work for you, then the one in the back will also work. Apparently, and I haven't seen this myself, but while I was looking this topic up, apparently there's one like beneath the center console. But with such a low profile car, it's kind of difficult to get a jack under there. So if you guys happen to see that or know of it, let me know in the comments down below. You can help other people who need it. This could be an alternative to doing it the method that we did and allowing your jack stands to still be on the jack points. But if you jack differently than we do, let us know. And we can start a sort of discussion on what the best jack stand method is for a Civic or any Honda equivalent. But that's going to be it for now. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on my auto repair. We recently just replaced the fog lights after they started blowing fuses. So if that's interesting to you, go check it out. But that's going to be it for now. I'm Aiman, and signing out. Peace. And you can see where it's attached on the chassis. I'm not sure if it's manufacturer recommended, but we put it here. And right here is the jack point. You can see that it looks like that sort of lip